put your hand over the left side of your chest, you can feel something thumping inside you. It is your heart, and the thump you feel is your heartbeat. The heart is made up of very strong muscles. The muscles of the heart squeeze and relax to pump blood to every part of the body. Blood carries oxygen and all the vitamins and minerals to other parts of the body. At the same time, the blood picks up things that the body doesn't need and carries them to the lungs and kidneys from where they leave the body. Do you know what protects the heart? It is the rib cage that protects the heart. When you run or exercise, the heart beats faster. This is because the heart has to pump blood around the body faster.